Welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add a page border in Google Docs. So once you're in Google Docs, guys, go ahead and click on insert, and you want to go to drawing and go over and click on new. Now from here you want to go to shape and just simply go ahead and choose a shape. I would say go ahead and use a rectangle. This is going to be the best option here. Click on that. Now all you have to do is just go ahead and draw that rectangle here. As you can see, I'm going to draw it something like that. Now the next thing that you want to do is go ahead and you want to click on the fill color here, and you want to go ahead and ensure that you make the fill color to be like transparent, right? You can make it white or you can simply make it transparent. I recommend make it transparent, so it's gonna make inside of it clear, and so when you stretch this over the page afterwards, you will be able to see the content on your page, right? So you don't want to have this fill. Now once you do that and make the middle, or let's say the fill color, transparent, you want to go to the border color now, and here you can choose the color that you want. So here you can choose this to whatever. So maybe I'm gonna go ahead and choose this to, let's say, black, right? So you go ahead and you make that. Now from here you can also go ahead and change the size of that. So you can go ahead and you can change the size. You can always go ahead and you can choose the border weight as well, so you can put that to about 12 or whatever you want, right? So you can go ahead and you can switch this to whatever. I'm gonna leave it to about, yeah, let's leave it to about, let's leave it to about 8, right? That's a good size. Now you can go ahead and you can play with it as much as you want, but once you're finished, let's say you're satisfied with that, let's say I want this to be plain and that's it, I can go ahead and click on save and close, and this is going to add onto my document. Now you realize at the moment it moves down the content on my page. So, and here you want to simply go down to where it gives you the options here. Now here you can go ahead and you can move it, you can put it in front of the document. I like to put it in front of the document because it allows me now to play around with the box. Now I can move it to wherever I want on my document. As you can see, when I try to move it, it doesn't really allow me to move it. So all you have to do is just simply go ahead and click the where you have the option that says move with text, and just simple go ahead and choose fixed position on page. Now you can go ahead and you can move it to wherever you want. As you can see, I can move it up to the upper right hand side. I can go ahead and I can use the edges now and let's say stretch it out on my page to make it how I want, and I can simply use the bottom arrow to simple drag this down to the bottom of my document. And as you can see right now, I have a full border on my document. So if I click off, you can see I have a border here on my page. And that's it, guys. Now you can always go ahead, if you want to duplicate this, it's very easy. You can simply click on that particular document as you wish. You can press a Control C to copy that border, and here if you go down to the bottom of the page and let's say go down, it creates a new page for you, and you can simply click on that next page and press a Control V, and you will see that it puts one onto your page. However, you want to go ahead and click on it and just simply align it to that next document. You can simply go ahead and you can align it to your choice. So you can simply click on it, you can move it across with your arrow. As you can see, I can use my arrow, my left and right key to move it, and I can press my up key as well to move it up to the top of my page. So simply go ahead and align it to the way you want, guys. And that's it, guys. That's how to go ahead and create a page border in your Google Docs. Very easy and very simple. If you find value in this video, guys, go ahead and give this video a like. Let me know in the comments below if you have any question. And of course, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm looking forward to see you in the next one.